This video is general advice only. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing here today because trading the market is hard. There are so many different things that you need to get good at to becoming what I call a super trader. There's a formula that you need to follow over time to becoming a super trader. So click here to download the super trader formula right now for free.
What's up traders, it's John Hal here from officialjohnhal.com, and in this video we're going to go through in continuation of the 11 or the deadly mistakes that most traders make. Talk at number 11 here. If you'd like to see the other 10 deadly mistakes, then guess what? Then go to my blog, you'll be able to see it on there, you'll be able to see it on my YouTube channel, you'll be able to see it all through there, okay? Go check it out. You'll be able to really help you, okay? Now let's talk about this here. Let's talk about the next deadly mistake that's stopping you from moving forward in the markets here, okay? Not checking the higher time frame. I did this for so many years. Back 10 years ago when I started trading the markets, I was in the market for a couple of years, and I was always bumping my head. I was like, why am I bumping my head here, okay? Why am I bumping my head? Why am I getting this? What's going on here? Anyway, I went to a coach, I was trading a daily chart, he said you're not checking the higher time frame. This is what I mean here, okay? Let's look at this here. This is just the stock of the Dow, this is just the chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, okay? You see the time frames down the bottom there and so on and so forth. Now, this is you can see up here, this is a 5-minute chart, okay? And you can see that this point up here. Now, if you were to trade in the 5-minute chart, you'd think, oh, it's a continuation of the trend, right? There's a continuation, it's going up, it's moving up, right? And if that's all you're trading, you said, oh, well, just pause there because, I know, the buyers weren't strong enough. But hang on a minute, there must be a reason why the buyers stopped there and why the sellers took control, right? Let's have a look at this here. So that's a 5-minute. So if you have a look over here, now we're going to look at an hourly chart, and we can actually see that this point over here was the exact same point on the 5-minute chart. But now, because we looked at a higher time frame, we also can see that this here is this one here is the next level of resistance. So if you're watching a 5-minute chart going up here, we say, okay, on the hourly chart, it actually stopped here and rejected. So if it gets up to here, we're now likely to find a lot of resistance here. Okay, we're likely to find a lot of resistance at this level. Right, and so this is the reason why this is important, because if you find a trade here on a 5-minute chart, if you trade in a 5-minute chart, then and it's at resistance, then you won't want to take it because there's a lower probability to trade. Make sense? For me right now, I trade the daily chart. Okay, I'm trading the daily chart, and I'm using the high time frame, which is the weekly chart by this scenario. Okay, so let's have a look at this here. 5-minute chart and the hourly chart. What do we have here? We have this here is the same point that I just showed you there a minute ago. That there obviously is the same point. But looking at the hourly chart, now we can actually see that because it stopped here last time, it's got a good chance it might create a bit of havoc around there. So if you were in a trade through here, you'll get it out, and you won't want to get into a position here because it's going to lower the probability of the setup. Make sense? I hope this helps you out, guys. If you'd like to learn more about the trading setups and the trading techniques, all that sort of stuff, for free obviously, then head on down to officialjohnhal.com. There's all heaps of information down there that's really going to help you out. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This is John Hal here from officialjohnhal.com. This is another mistake. This is a big one, guys. I promise you, it'll really, really, really help you out, okay? Go check it out. I know you're going to like it. Anyway, guys, John Hal here. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.
If you're still struggling to get ahead in the markets, then you need to download the Super Trader Formula right now. There are so many different things that you need to get good at, and the Super Trader Formula will show you exactly what to focus on first, second, third, and so on. And I promise you this, follow the Super Trader Formula and you will make more progress in the next few months than you have in the last 12 months. I know it's a big promise, but you see exactly what I'm saying. So click here to download the Super Trader Formula right now for free. Also, if you're looking for more fun, more freedom, more income, then you need to download my brand new book called How to Travel and Holiday Like a Millionaire Without Being One. In this book, you'll learn how to take amazing dream trips while saving thousands of dollars and create a 6-figure income by helping others do the same. Click here to download my brand new book for free now.